Welcome to video 13.1a, Slopes and Equations of Lines. This is the first video in the unit on coordinate geometry, chapter 13 in the geometry textbook. I already wrote out what's in your notes along with the answers just to speed things up. So slope, M is used for slope, and it means rise over run, or algebraically y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Slope-intercept equation of a line, y equals mx plus b. That's the most useful when you've got a slope and a y-intercept. So notice that b is the y-intercept and m is the slope. Point-slope equation, this one's just as valid as the slope-intercept, and it's great when you've got a point and a slope. It's y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. This one's a little bit confusing. Keep in mind the point has coordinates x sub 1 and y sub 1. X and y are just the general variables. And again, m is the slope. All right, recall that the slope of parallel lines, the slope is the same. The slope of perpendicular lines, opposite reciprocal slopes. All right, x and y intercepts, just to refresh your memory. The x-intercept is where the line crosses the x-axis, and the y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. For the x-intercept, the y value will be 0. For the y-intercept, the x value will be 0. Horizontal and vertical lines, you may recall the saying vuxhoi. This is just an easy way to remember the equations. So for a horizontal line, you use the word hoi, because H for horizontal, and then the equation will be y equals a number. In this case, y equals 2. The y values are always 2. For a vertical line, use the word vux, because that starts with letter V, and the equation will have the form x equals a number, because x is in vux. In this case, the x values are always 3. So there you have it, a refresher on slopes and equations of lines.